Welcome back to the video. Today we'll be making the origami crane. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, to start off, turn it white side up, and start by folding it this way. Right to the corner. Nice, trying to make nice, precise folds. Unfold, turn it this way, and fold up. Unfold, fold this way. Alright, now unfold, flip it around, you find the diagonal line, fold on the crease, unfold, now flip it over. Now you want to bring this down just like this, in there, just like that, and squash it all down. Now you should have this. Now, fold in half, unfold. There should be 2 layers just like this. Face it on this side. Grab the first layer and fold it just like that. Grab the second layer, grab the first layer on this one too. Fold it just like that too. Alright. Now, you want to fold this down. Unfold. Unfold. Alright, you see this one right here? You want to pull it up just like that. Push it down. And just like that. You should fold it down. Find this section. Find the pockets. And you want to fold them. Just like that. Alright, you want to have this. Alright, now flip it over. Do the same thing. Fold it just like that. Fold it to the middle. Alright, grab this. Bring it down. Just like that. Same thing. Find this layer right here. Pull it up. Fold it just like that. Now you should have this. Alright. Grab the second layer again. Fold it right to the middle line. Right there. Same thing on the other side. Fold it to the middle. Next you have this. Flip it over. Do the same thing again. Just like that. Alright, now you see this right here? You see those lines? Fold on the end, bring it all the way down, just like that. Alright, now you should have a line. Now, puff it up just like that. Find that corner. Bring this in on the line, put it on the crease. Then go like that. Same thing on the other side. Bring it up. Just like that. Alright, now, opened up. You have this, so you might want to pull this back. Right until you think that's good. Right until where you think it's good. So, like right there. Stop. Same thing with this side. Pull it until you think it's right. Right there. Alright. Now grab one side. Open up like that. And push this down. Just like that. And I'll pull it up. Now you should have this. Now, to make the wings, fold it down just like that. Bring the wings out, and there you go. And then, now, you can blow it up. And pull. And there you go. Your own Origami Crane. Oh yeah, also, you want to blow right here into this hole. Alright. Like, share, and subscribe. Tune in for next time.